everyone, welcome to Aviksha. In this video, we are going to share some current affairs and recent happenings in India from 18th of April to 24th April.
IAF officer to represent India for Paralympic qualifiers. Wing Commander Shantanu has been selected to represent India at the World Rowing Asia or Oceania Continental Olympic and Paralympic Qualification Regatta, and it is going to be held in May 2021 at Tokyo, Japan. Can you tell me when he picked up the sport and where was the Rowing Federation of India for the October 2019 Asian Rowing Training Camp and Championship was held?
Yes, he picked up the sport in April 2019 and it was held in South Korea.
Correct.
Dr. Harshvardhan addresses the Next Generation Health Summit, Reimagine Healthcare.
Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, addressed the Next Generation Health Summit, Reimagine Healthcare. It was organized by the IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industry through a video recorded message on 20th April.
He said in the summit, with our whole of government and whole of society approach, we shall once again overcome the challenges posed by the recent wave of this pandemic.
Together we shall emerge stronger and even more resilient. Search and Rescue. IFB Rabha off New Mangalore. Indian Navy deploys INS Nirikshak for underwater search. Can you tell me how many fishermen were aboard that boat?
Yes, IFB Rabha, which had on board 14 fishermen, suffered a collision with a Singapore flag merchant ship.
Jal Jeevan Mission. Madhya Pradesh plans to provide 22 lakh tap connections by March 2022.
Can you tell something about Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, Madhya Pradesh is the second largest Indian state by area and the fifth largest state by population with over 72 million residents. It borders the states of Uttar Pradesh to the northeast, Chhattisgarh to the southeast, Maharashtra to the south, Gujarat to the west, and Rajasthan to the northwest.
The CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The governor is Anandiben Patel. The capital is Bhopal. Pharma companies reduce prices of Remdesivir after center's intervention. Do you know Remdesivir is sold under which brand name?
Yes, it is Veklury. And Veklury is also used to treat SARS and MARS.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, Remdesivir was approved or authorized for emergency use to treat COVID-19 in around 50 countries. Railways getting fully ready to transport liquid medical oxygen and oxygen cylinders. But what is this liquid medical oxygen?
Since oxygen is very hard to carry in its gas form, they compress this oxygen into a liquid, so it is easy to transport it to different hospitals.
Okay, now I understand. Green corridor being created to fast movement of oxygen express trains.
Jal Jeevan Mission. Karnataka plans to provide 25 lakh tap connections by March 2022.
Karnataka is a state in southwest India with Arabian Sea coastlines. To the southwest, Mysore is home to lavish temples including Mysore Palace, former seat of the region's Maharajas. The CM of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa. The governor is Vajubhai Wala and the capital is Bengaluru, formerly Bangalore. Now we are going to talk about SPO2 developed by DRDO based on supplemental oxygen delivery system.
DRDO has developed SPO2, supplemental oxygen delivery system for soldiers posted at extreme high altitude areas.
Now we are going to talk about IIM Rohtak.
Yes, Union Minister of Education Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank virtually addressed the annual convocation of IIM Rohtak on 19th April. IIM Rohtak is going to introduce BBA LLB, a 5-year integrated program in law. Next, we are going to talk about World Liver Day.
Shri Ashwini Kumar Choube, Union Minister for State for Health and Family Welfare, chaired the World Liver Day celebrations through video conference on 19th of April.
Stresses on frugal and seasonal eating habits. Meeta Bhukta, Rita Bhukta.
India and Germany signed an agreement. Do you know what it is about?
Yes, it is about cities combating plastic entering the marine environment. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India and DIRTS GIS GmbH India on behalf of the German Federal Ministry of Environment, Nature Conservation and Nuclear Safety signed an agreement on technical cooperation titled Cities Combating Plastic Entering the Marine Environment.
Gender Samvad aims to establish a shared platform to generate awareness on NRLM's gender interventions across the country.
Gender Samvad was jointly launched by DAY, NRLM and IWWAGE at LED on 16th April 2021. Can you tell me what is DAY, NRLM and IWWAGE?
Yes, it is Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihoods Mission. IWWAGE is initiative for what works to advance women and girls in the economy.
Correct. 4 new Tribe India outlets have been virtually inaugurated in New Delhi. 134 Tribe Indian outlets have been inaugurated across the country.
Can you tell me something about Tribe India? It is the first time I've heard this name.
Yes, it is a national level apex organization functioning under the administrative control of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. TriFed, under the brand name Tribes India, markets the handcrafted products directly procured from the tribals in India through its 73 brick-and-mortar outlets all over India.
Do you know on 21st of April it is Civil Services Day?
Yes, our Prime Minister wished the civil servants on this occasion.
But why do we celebrate Civil Services Day?
On this day in 1947, the country's first Home Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, addressed the probationers of Administrative Services officers in 1947 at Metcalfe House, Delhi. He rightly described the civil servants, the steel frame of India.
But from where did you get this information?
I read this in Economic Times. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar have extended their greetings on the auspicious occasion of Ram Navami.
But when is Ram Navami?
Ram Navami was on April 21st, 2021. Arunachal Pradesh presents its annual action plan under Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission was presented on 21st April via video conference with details of saturation plan for the financial year 2021 to 22. Arunachal Pradesh plans to provide 65,000 tap connections by March 2022 and become Har Ghar Jal state by 2023.
Can you tell me something about Arunachal Pradesh?
Yes, Arunachal Pradesh is a state in northeast India. It borders the states of Assam and Nagaland to the south. It shares international borders with Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, and a disputed border with China in the north at the MC-Mahon line.
I know the CM of Arunachal Pradesh. He is Pema Khundu.
Correct. Can you tell me the governor?
Yes, he is Brigadier B.D. Mishra.
And the capital?
Is Itanagar.
Correct. Fifth session of Codex Committee on Spices and Culinary Herbs begins virtually. India is the host and Spices Board India serves as the Secretariat of Committee.
Srimati Rita, Chairperson, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India on 20th of April said that the regulatory bodies need to be more vigilant to ensure food safety and quality. Assam UP government to provide free vaccines to all from age of 18 to 45 years.
Assam's Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that the Health Department has placed an order on 20th April to buy 1 crore doses.
Uttar Pradesh government has also decided to administer COVID vaccine free of cost to all those above 18 years of age from May 1 in the cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, addressed the 5th Global Forum on TB vaccine through video conference here from 20th to 22nd April.
India's agriculture trade grows during 2020 to 21.
Despite the pandemic, export of agriculture and allied commodities during April 2020 to February 2021 shows an increase of 18.49%. India has consistently maintained trade surplus in the agricultural products over the years. India's agricultural and allied exports during 2019 to 20 were rupees 2.52 lakh crores and imports were rupees 1.47 lakh crores.
Wow, that's good news.
Do we have something to say?
Yes, our next week's upcoming video is going to include the Oscar Awards.
Wow, that's great.
At the end, we would like to thank you for watching our video.
Please like and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends.